Sight from our Dallas left field camera, temperature of 38, the wind chill down to 31. So wind chill definitely significant today. That wasn't the case yesterday. And we have our WFA weather alert tonight through Sunday morning. The impact is going to be another round of that Arctic air spilling into the state. It brings a hard freeze Friday night and Saturday night. Temperatures on Saturday may not make it above freezing. What you need to do is get updated on the numbers with us on WFA Plus, and remember the 4 P's, your people, pets, pipes and plants. It's going to be one of those nights. Our cold weather advisory in place tonight through Saturday morning for lows anywhere from 13 to 25. Wind chills as low as 0. I don't think a lot of us make it there, but we get pretty close to it. In fact, Saturday morning, the temperature drops to 19 in Dallas, 18 in Fort Worth, 20 in Denton, 17 in McKinney. Nowhere near record, but certainly enough to be uncomfortable and dangerous if you're out in it for too long. Your forecast wind chill down to 2 in McKinney, 4 in Denton, 8 in Dallas, about 10 in Fort Worth. Not as low along our southwestern counties, but again, still dangerously cold, especially for Saturday morning. The temperature throughout the day on Saturday, bitter cold. 32 for the high in Dallas and in Fort Worth. If we don't make it above 32, that means DFW spends the entire day Saturday with freezing temperatures. In fact, it doesn't look like we climb above freezing until about 10 in the morning on Sunday. So we make it to freezing tonight around midnight. We stay freezing until Sunday around 10 in the morning. So our next blast of cold air again will arrive tonight. Temperature drops to 32, 50 for the high on Sunday. Look at next week. Temperatures climbing into the 60s, a little closer to what's considered normal for this time of the year. The next few mornings expect a hard freeze, 19 degrees Saturday, 22 Sunday morning. Monday morning temperature of 32. So not quite as cold, but still cold enough to want to cover any of those sensitive plants. And of course, today high temperature makes it around 46. That is quite a bit colder than yesterday, noticeably colder. Right now it's 39 at DFW, feeling like 32. Our northwest wind, again, that's what's helping pull in some of this cold, dry air into the area. And it'll be just that. Cold and dry. I'm not expecting any winter precip if I didn't make that clear earlier. So no need to worry about that this weekend. Here's how today plays out. Temperature makes it to about 40 degrees around noon, 46 degrees around 4 this afternoon. Yesterday's high was 59, so today will be noticeably colder. The temperature drops to about 35 around 10, wind chills in the 20s. We make it to freezing around midnight tonight. Temperature then continues to drop, bottoming out somewhere around 19 degrees at about 7 in the morning. And again, temperature staying freezing all day. Today, the high makes it to 46 in Dallas, 47 in Fort Worth, 45 in Denton, 44 in McKinney. That's ahead of our next cold front that works its way into the region tonight. So our 14-day forecast shows a bitter cold weekend. Our WFA weather alert highlighted in red there on Saturday. Temperatures do become a bit more mild next week. We're looking at highs in the 60s on Monday and Tuesday, 50s on Wednesday. And we do have a round of rain Tuesday and Wednesday, but this time temperatures stay well above freezing. We're looking at a lot of 60s on that second row of the 14-day. Morgan?
60s. That sounds nice. Marielle, thank you.